You know about this?
I do. Murphy's Law. It says that anything that can go wrong will.
Yeah? Yeah, do you know where it came from?
I do, actually. It all originated back in 1949, so this isn't ancient history. This is pretty recent, and essentially the Air Force was doing a couple of tests on G-forces and trying to figure out how much a human being could handle.
Mm-hmm.
And what it all boiled down to was some people who worked for Captain Edward A. Murphy weren't really doing their jobs exactly right. They were messing up the little things. And he said, pretty exasperated, there are two ways to do something.
Yeah.
They're always going to pick the one that results in catastrophe.
Yeah, but that's kind of a mouthful, isn't it?
It really is. And so Colonel John Paul Stapp later on,
Great guy.
exactly, he was sort of being the mouthpiece of these experiments that they were doing. And he essentially said that, the experiments aren't going exactly as planned. It's all, following Murphy's Law. Well, what's that? And he explained that anything that can go wrong will. So he sort of silver-tongued it.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the Stuff You Should Know podcast, where I actually got this audio from. They post great content every day about stuff that you should know. You can check them out on Spotify and YouTube. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.